Welcome to the Telex Radio Dispatch IP224 IP Gateway Firmware version 2.0 and Telex System Manager 1.7 updates presentation. First released in 2012, the IP224 has become a successful replacement to our industry standard IP223, which was first released in 2002. Firmware version 2.0 will add the following new features: console mode and line-to-line cross-patching, which are currently supported in the IP223. Also added as part of this update are new control station options for Tetra, Tate P25, and ICOM IDAS mobiles. IP223 features added to the IP224 are console mode, which supports connection of IP gateways to legacy analog console systems. This converts tone keying or E&M signaling for IP transport to remote IP gateways run in either local or tone modes to rekey radios. Line-to-line cross-patch allows line 1 and 2 within the same IP224 to rekey each other locally, creating crossband repeat function without the need of dispatch console control. Here is a list of newly released serial control radios for the IP224. They include PowerTrunk, Hytera, and Sapura Tetra mobiles, ICOM IDAS mobiles, and the Tate P25 mobiles. Please note that all new and some existing serial control radios will require an activation code in the IP224 to function. Some of the changes in version 2 from the previous 1.3 will require an option code to be entered into the IP224 for the Kenwood NextEdge or TK5X10 P25 mobile to continue to function. Here are the part numbers you will need to order for field upgrades for both of these radio series. Note that each line in the IP224 needing to control one of these radios will require an option. So in our example, one line is NXDN and the other line is P25 within the same gateway. One of each option will need to be ordered. If both lines are controlling an NextEdge, then two options for NXDN would be ordered for the one unit. To better understand console mode, we can look at the figure and see that the IP224 is connected to the central electronics or console system I/O. Tones or E&M signaling generated by the console system are decoded by the IP224. This IP224 sends IP packets to the network for transport to remote IP224s that can be configured for either the regeneration of tone keying or local control of the remote radio. Here we have replaced traditional lease lines with IP transport using two IP224s. Console mode supports the following functionality: 2 or 4 wire tone control, 6 wire E&M audio and logic operation, RX and TX audio, both simplex and full duplex, PTT and monitor CT/CSS decode with up to 16 channel changes, parallel console cross-muting and supervisory functions, plus parallel console frequency updating from remote console changes. The line-to-line cross-patch feature allows the IP224 to retransmit RX audio from one line to the other line on the unit. When the cross-patch feature is enabled, RX audio on the source line results in the key-up and retransmission on the destination line. Audio cross-patching continues until the RX condition on the source line expires, or one of the following conditions interrupts the cross-patch audio: handset key-up on the destination line, or IPTX audio traffic from a IP console to the destination line. This will override the cross-patch functionality. Line-to-line patch supports the following 4 selectable options in the line-to-line cross-patch drop-down menu. Disabled. Selecting this option deactivates the line-to-line cross-patch function in the IP224 and is the default setting. Bidirectional. Selecting this option allows the IP224 to retransmit RX audio in either direction. Line 1 to 2 and line 2 to 1. Selecting either of these options only allows audio to retransmit in one direction. Also, the line-to-line cross-patch can be started and stopped using function control commands from an IP console. Release 2.0 now allows serial control of 3 different Tetra mobile radio models. These include units from Hytera, PowerTrunk, and Sapura. All are covered under a single per-line option code. Both factory and field install part numbers are available. We are also offering pre-made cables for the specific radio types to the IP224 and are not included as part of the per-line Tetra option. Please note that the Hytera Tetra requires an upgraded IP224 that will be released in Q1 2015. This unit will replace our current IP224 and be referred to as the IP224 version 2 hardware. Shown here is a list of the supported Tetra features based on the mobile attached to the IP224. Release 2.0 also expands our serial control offering for P25 control station interfaces by adding the Tate TM9100 and 9400 series mobiles. These, along with the currently supported Kenwood TK5X10 and the EF Johnson 5300 mobiles, allow you to support a large number of installed systems. A per-line option code is used for both the Kenwood and Tate series, with both factory and field install part numbers available. We are also offering pre-made cables for the specific radio types to the IP224 and are not included as part of the P25 option. Please note that the EF Johnson 5300 mobiles are still supported using the IP25300 option. Here is a list of the supported P25 features based on the mobile attached to the IP224. Release 2.0 also expands our serial control offering for NXDN control station interfaces by adding the ICOM ICF 506X and 606X series mobiles. These, along with the currently supported Kenwood NX700-800 NextEdge mobiles, allow you to support a large number of installed systems. A per-line option code is used for both Kenwood and ICOM series, with both factory and field install part numbers available. We are also offering pre-made cables for the specific radio types to the IP224, and these are not included as the part of the per-line NXDN option. Displayed is a list of supported NXDN features based on the mobile attached to the IP224. Here is a short list of software fixes for IP224 Release 2.0 since version 1.3. Please refer to the official release note document for all changes. Okay, let's take a short minute to look at the Telex System Manager version 1.7 improvements. Version 1.7 of Telex System Manager adds support for Windows 8 and all the new features added to the IP224 in Release 2.0. Please refer to the official release note document for all other changes. We want to thank you for taking time to watch our video on the latest IP224 and TSM software additions. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact your Telex Dispatch Sales or Technical Support contact. Thank you again.
Bosch, invented for life.